Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about your knees hurting all day after work. So if you're experiencing a lot of knee joint pain in your knees feeling really sore, this is what I've done. I've been doing this for a year now and it makes a big difference. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do for my knees, and then I'm also going to show you what I do for my one elbow. So for my knees, I've been doing this for quite a while now, okay? Bear with me because I got to move the camera a bit here. Alright. So this is what I'm going to do, okay? I'll show you here. Sit down and just show you simply what I do for my knee. This is what I do for my knee. Alright. So for my knee, I got these on Amazon. The compression sleeves for your knees. Very inexpensive. I think when I bought them they were approximately $35 for the pair. Put this on like this. Slip that on. And then what I did is I bought these elastic with the Velcro. These are like a tie that you actually use to hold compressor hoses for your air compressor, or to bundle up electrical cords, etc. You can find these on Amazon as well. You take these like this, put them around like this. And what this does is it will allow you so that you have them in place all day. They're not going to move. Okay, like that. And it really works on your knees when you're working all day, standing and going about on your daily chores at work. I mean, you can even use them when you're not at work. That's when I use them, and it just helps my knees tremendously. It really does. Just gives your knees that little bit of what you need. It's like a brace, and they're very comfortable. It doesn't. I'm so used to them. The first few times I wore them, it felt kind of a little bit uncomfortable, but that's kind of like anything, right? I mean, yeah, very inexpensive, and like I say, you can get these on Amazon. I mean, if you want, you can go to one of those medical places like Doncaster. Trying to think of the other one off my hand. Sorry, I don't know the other one here right now. Anyways, you could go to a medical place to get these. You could be prescribed. But these are like, I don't even care about the name. Let's face it, I don't care about the name. They work. It does what I need it to do. That's the main thing. Okay, that's for my knees. And it can be for your knees as well. It's up to you. I'm just showing you what I do. Alright? Just sharing it with you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your patience. Now this is for my elbow. My elbow, this elbow's been bothering me for a number of years. So what happens here, back in the day, this used to be termed, in this tendon here, it was called washer's elbow. When the women washed the clothes, or the men washed the clothes back in the day when there were no clothes laundry washing machines, okay? Long time ago, and their tendons would get stressed out. Well, this one here on this arm, thank God this one's, so far I haven't had to put the sleeve on there, but this is also another compression. This is for your elbow, and I got these on Amazon as well. Pretty cheap. They give you a sizing chart as well. They give you a sizing chart. Here you'll have to measure. Okay, you'll have to measure your circumference. Same with up here in your bicep. You gotta measure the circumference so it'll fit the right way. Anyways, slip this on like this, and you got your Velcro here like that. Put it around. What that does, it puts that bit of pressure there on that tendon, it braces it, and you're good to go all day. I mean, if you need to readjust it, you just undo the Velcro and readjust it. It's probably going to feel weird at first for you. It might, you know, might feel a little weird, but believe me, ever since I've done that, my elbow doesn't bother me. It used to feel like somebody was taking a spike, a big large spike, with a hammer and driving it into this part here. That's what it felt like. It's a sharp pain and it's annoying pain, especially when you're trying to work or do various activities at home, etc. Just putting this out there so that you can try to help yourself feel better, to make your body feel better. You gotta listen to what your body tells you. When there's soreness in your body, you gotta kind of figure out, and you gotta say, you know what, I gotta do something for my body to help me. Alright, so I hope you kind of like this video, and if you want, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you again for watching the video. This is Resourceful Marcus. I will see you again. Take care. See you later.